All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol SRNE, Sorrento Therapeutics Inc. And before I jump into this chart, I do want to state some things. And the first thing is welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Hope you guys find this informative and helpful. And to all my subscribers, I do want to say thank you for always engaging in conversation and helping other investors and viewers with their comments and questions and sharing more information other than the charts, such as news and anything you guys want to piggyback off of me. I encourage it and I'm thankful for that and I appreciate it. So I wanted to say that, and let's jump into this chart. The first thing is the bearish run was continuing today, very early in the day. It fell below support and it hit lows of 10.16, and from that point forward the bulls found that as a discount and they were really motivated, loaded up on stocks, broke this one back over the support and leveled off slightly below where they closed on Friday, but back in the zone closer to the 50-day moving average. We're going to have to move this to their new points of reference, such as the support and resistance, but that was really good how it recovered by the bulls, because if the bears continued this run, they were going to have full dominant control over this stock for the next coming days. That was a good recovery, and they're very close to the 50-day moving average. So first thing is I'm going to start with the support. The support was 10.13. And that support is significant because it was the point where it all turned around, right? From hitting a low and coming all the way back up. 10.13, if that gets broken through, the bears have definitely pulled this away from the 50-day moving average, keeping it in bearish territory, and they're on their way to bring it to newer lows. That just shows how much control the bears are having, and I'd pay very close attention to the behavior of the stock throughout the day for an opportunity if something like this were to happen again, from recovering from those new lows and coming back up because the bulls loaded up on stocks. So it's always good to pay close attention to the stock if support levels are broken through. Always. You never know if there could be a recovery or an entry point, or could it be the point of exit? I'm not here to tell you guys to buy or sell or even hold, but the points of reference that I give you guys in these cues is to well equip you guys the next trading day. So for sure, if support of 10.13 gets broken through, I keep an eye on it, and I cannot emphasize that enough. This did close out at 12.12, so it recovered back by $2 throughout the day, and they fell slightly short from the 50-day moving average. And the 50-day moving average is 1243. If 1243 can be broken through by the bulls, they're on their way to hitting newer levels and breaking through the point of resistance slightly and the 50-day moving average, and they can use it as support to work their way to newer highs and back into bullish territory. So if 1243 gets broken through, they are 1 cent away from the resistance, which is the highest point of the day, and that's 1244. It got rejected from there. So that's why this is very important to pay close attention to the stock tomorrow and see how it reacts and how it acts throughout the day, starting the day and through midday and so forth. But if resistance gets broken through, the 50-day moving average has gotten broken through, and now they just need to test it, use it as support, and the bulls can continue a bullish run and rally. So once that's broken, that's a good sign if they can use it as support to continue to work their way up. It's a very broad range. So tomorrow, if this is on its way down, there's a very broad range of waiting to see what's going to happen if it breaks through support, if it uses it as support. So something I would really use to narrow it down is the lowest point here at the end, which was 11.99. If 11.99 gets broken through, I'm not saying that this is going to be completely destroyed by the bears and brought all the way down here, but that is a point of reference to show you who is starting to gain the upper hand early in the day. But for now, it's at 12.12. If the bulls load up on stocks, they can continue to work their way up. If anything else was to be used as a point of reference once that resistance gets broken, I'd say up here, which was one of the last highs, 1338 would be the next resistance level once this resistance level is broken through, to see as a point if this rally can continue. But for now, in a zoomed in portion for tomorrow, points of reference that are very important is 1245, which means they broke through the 50-day moving average. If they use it as support, they can be on their way up to newer highs. And the support level of 1013 and 1199 if you want to zoom in and pay close attention to how this reacts early in the day and in which direction who is gaining control. Right now we're in bearish territory, but the bulls did have some recovery. They're very close to the 50-day moving average. We're going to see who gains control tomorrow. As always, if you guys learned something new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button for me to let me know you watched this video. And share this with your friends and community. Thank you guys for watching, and let's make some money.